Welcome to Goodhand CCTV Store. Maraming salamat po either sa pagbisita sa isa sa aming 20 store outlets or online inquiry. Ang tanong, bakit po kayo sa amin dapat pagtiwala? I will give you 7 reasons. Bakit nga ba sa amin? Number 1, we carry only brands recognized worldwide. According to ANS International Security Magazine, from their list of top 50 global security companies, Hikvision is the number 1 brand among top 50 brands, and number 2 is Dawa Technology as the second. This also includes ECBs as Hikvision's sister company and IMO as Dawa's sister company. Number 2, Hikvision Philippines and Dawa Technology Philippines recognizes Goodhand as the most contribution award by Dawa Philippines, Outstanding Partner of the Year given by Activate, Platinum Dealer Award by Hikvision Philippines, and Excellence Partnership Award by Kinsoyo. Lack of Appreciation by UNV Hopisco. Number 3, all of our sales and technical team are well-trained, authorized, and certified installer by Hikvision Philippines and Dawa Philippines. Number 4, we have a long list of clients from different industries, from construction projects to restaurants, commercial to government installations, and also to private residential accounts. Number 5, our company is being featured in Rated K, Umagang Kay Ganda, ABS-CBN, Unang Hirit, GMA7, Balitanghali, Dapat Alam Mo, Kabuhayan Swak na Swak, Sapul sa TV, and many more. Number 6, customer testimonial. Here are some of the feedbacks and review of our satisfied clients. We have 20 physical store branches to accommodate you and still growing. 7 in Metro Manila, 5 in Cavite, Laguna, Batangas area, 5 in Rizal area, and 3 in Bulacan. Now ito po, we have a special package deal available po sa aming mga mahal na clients. Naku, I'm sure pagsisisihan ninyo pag hindi ito na-explain sa inyo na maayos. Kaya po ang aming sales team para ma-explain po sa inyo ito ng maayos. Maraming salamat po.